What if music is not simply something that exists inside the universe? What if the universe itself behaves in remarkable ways, much like music? Welcome to the Harmonic Continuum. At the foundation of modern physics is an extraordinary realization. Nature is filled with oscillation. Atoms vibrate. Electromagnetic fields oscillate. Light carries frequency. Even space-time itself can ripple. The universe is not silent, it is dynamic. And wherever there is vibration, there is frequency. Where frequencies interact, patterns can emerge. Consider a musical string. Pluck it once, and you do not hear only one frequency. You hear a fundamental surrounded by harmonics, multiple vibrations organized into one recognizable tone. That gives us an extraordinary analogy. Sometimes complexity emerges because systems vibrate in many ways. In music, different modes of vibration create different notes. In physics, different states of energy create different physical possibilities. The parallel is music and physics share a language of relationships. At the quantum level, frequency and energy are mathematically connected. A higher frequency corresponds to a greater quantum of energy. The musical analogy suddenly becomes astonishing. Change the frequency of a string and you change the note. Change the frequency associated with a quantum and you change its energy. Different realms, different meanings. Yet nature repeatedly organizes itself through vibration. And there is another epiphany. A symphony is not defined only by its individual notes. Its meaning emerges from the relationships between those notes. Physics works the same way. Particles alone do not create the cosmos. Interactions do. Reality emerges through relationships. The cosmos therefore resembles an evolving composition. Stars become instruments. Galaxies become enormous ensembles. Gravitational waves are ripples across the fabric of spacetime. The great insight of the harmonic continuum. Music gives us an intuitive way to recognize one of nature's deepest secrets. Energy creates possibility. Frequency gives vibration identity. Interaction creates patterns. And structure emerges. Perhaps that is why music feels strangely universal. When we study harmony, we are studying more than sound. We learn how complex systems organize themselves through proportion, repetition, tension, resolution, and resonance. And perhaps the greatest epiphany is this: we are not merely observers listening to the cosmic composition. Every atom in our bodies belongs to it. Every heartbeat contributes a rhythm. Every thought depends upon electrical activity. Every sound we create becomes vibration traveling through the cosmos. We do not stand outside the symphony. We are inside the grand cosmic score. And the deeper science investigates reality, the more extraordinary the score becomes. Musician's world and the harmonic continuum. Music at the subatomic level.